Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I am super excited. I've got my first 1/24th scale rig. So we've got the new Axial SCX24 Ford Bronco, which looks amazing in the box. I'm like so excited. I'm like a big kid at Christmas for this one. Seen lots of videos online and they look really cool, so much fun and really capable too. So I'm really looking forward to seeing what it's like. So we're going to unbox it, take you through what comes in the box. We'll have a look at it, we'll power it on, and then once we've had a little chat about it, we'll take it for a crawl and we'll see what it performs like. Okay, so let's take a look and see what we get in the box, and we'll take a look at it. So we're going to get this box open. Let's get it unboxed. So it comes like that, the box with this cool little scale kind of background. So that's really cool. The rig. You get your instructions. It actually comes with AA batteries, so you get everything included with this. It's 100% ready to run. I've heard some things that the batteries aren't very good, so I'm actually going to use my own batteries. But you also get a spare drive shaft, and you get some tools and some stickers and stuff like that. So that's cool. And then if we pop that off, and then we also get our transmitter in the box as well. Okay, so that's that. It's all right. It actually looks exactly the same as well, I'm not sure, but it looks exactly the same as an e-tronics pulse transmitter, which you get with, I don't know if you get them with the RGT rock cruisers, but in the UK you get one that looks exactly the same as this with the FDX Outback 3, the Peso and the Tracker and things like that, and it's called an e-tronics pulse. It looks very, very similar. It's got a nice little wheel there and stuff, but yeah, it looks very similar, so we'll see what it's like. Let's get the actual Bronco out of the little box. We'll have a look at it, see what it's like. Like I said, can't wait to have a play with this thing. It just looks awesome. I went for the blue. I really like the grey, but I saw the blue and I was like, oh, I gotta go for the blue. It just looks such a nice colour. The metallic paint on it and everything as well. Hopefully you can see that in the picture. But yeah, it looks sweet. So let's get this thing unclipped, plug it in, and have a look at it. Okay, so here it is out of the box. So hopefully the camera will show up that lovely blue. So you get your accessories on the top, which you can actually unclick your sand ladders, so you can actually use those as well. Okay, you got your officially licensed wheels. There's the nice Bronco. Your little scale bumper and everything like that. You can just see you've got your driver inside as well and your interior, which hopefully you might be able to see that through the windows. But yeah, it just looks so cool. It looks so nice. I've heard a lot of people say about, you know, the suspension's really bouncy, which it does look really bouncy, but I reckon actually crawling in slow motion with that movement, I reckon that'll look pretty cool. They look really nice. Tyres are nice and squishy. Again, I've heard a lot of people saying about, you know, upgrading the wheels and tyres, so we'll test out on the trail and we'll see what it's like. One of the other things that really attracted me to the 1/24th scale rigs is obviously there's a lot of accessories available for them now, but also the accessories are so much cheaper than your 110 accessories. You know, your 110 stuff, you can get carried. It's easy to get carried away and spend lots of money, but of course on these 1/24ths, you know, you can buy a whole set of wheels and tires for the amount of money it would probably cost you just for like a pair of tires or something. So but right, let's pop it off and have a little look. So the shell is held on, you might be able to just see it in here maybe. It's hinged on the rear and then it's Velcro. So if we just pull it up, So let me pick you up so you can take a little closer look. Okay, so you've got your Velcro on the front here, which attaches to the inside of the shell. But there you can see you've got lights, and you've got your little battery pack, that's included as well, your little 2S Lipo. Obviously your ESC and receiver all in one. Your tiny little motor, look how tiny that motor is. That's insane. And your gearbox, it's mental. Is your little micro servo as well. It's just crazy how small everything is on this. It just amazes me. It's just so cool. But yeah, it just looks awesome. Love it. So let's get it plugged in, get it powered on, see what it's like, test the lights out, do a little crawl on the table, and then we'll go out for a proper crawl and we can see what it's like. What I was going to plan to do was we'll take it for a little crawl on our usual 110 review course, and then obviously we can see then how it compares to a 1/10 scale crawler on a similar kind of scale route. So that'd be really cool. So let's get the battery plugged in, get it turned on, and we'll see what it's like. Okay, battery is plugged in. We've got batteries in our transmitter. So we're gonna pop our transmitter on. That's on. Switch here on the side for your ESC. Turn that on. And then we have life. Look at that. How cool is that? Right, let's pop the shell. Push it down onto the Velcro. So you've got your lights in the bumper and your headlights. There's no lights on the rear, but I'm not sure if you can fit some little scale lights on the rear. Probably, anything's possible, isn't it? So with your lights, you can either just have the bumper lights on, or on your transmitter, on this switch here, if you flick your switch, then you get your headlights on, and if you flick it again, then your headlights flash. It just looks so cool. That's just crazy that it's like literally crawling along my table. That's nuts. There's nice, actually really smooth throttle control. But if you see how little throttle I'm giving it, ready? Just tiniest little bit of throttle. Maybe if my throttle control was even better. It's a tiny little bit of throttle. That's so cool. Just to give you an idea of size comparison, look, there's your little 1/24 scale Bronco, and there's your 1/10 scale TRX4 Defender. Which, the Bronco's so small, it can literally sit on the bonnet. So tiny. But what I love is so tiny, but look at all the details on it. It just looks so amazing. When you get in close, you wouldn't know it was a tiny little 1/24 scale. You would think, oh, that's a pretty cool looking rig. Nice. You can see that blue popping there in the sun. That looks glorious. Love it. Okay, right, let's take it out on the trail. We'll go for a little crawl. Like I said, we'll try it on kind of like our 1/10 scale route. And we'll see what it's like. Look at that colour. That is beautiful. That is so cool. Such an awesome looking rig. Okay, so we're back out at our little usual trail spot where we bring our 1/10 scale crawlers. So it'd be interesting to see what our little 1/24 scale makes of this bank up here. I'm not sure if it's going to make it, to be honest, because it's so small. but we will give it a try. But it looks awesome. Just look how cool that thing looks. Oh, tyres are digging into the mud. Oh, she tipped over. Oh, she goes again. Okay. Okay, so we're cheated. We've given it a helping hand. So that was its first hurdle. Now it'd be interesting to see when it's doing a bit of side hilling here if it's just going to tip over as well, or if it can get up there. Let's give it a try. Struggling for grip. Oh. Okay, let's give it a bit of a run up. Oh, you can just see it wants to tip over, especially with that wheel on the back. Okay, give it one more run up. Come on, little guy, you can do it. Come on, little blue. All the way down. Okay, we're at the top. Let's see if we can just get up here. Come on, little blue, you can do it. Oh, he's just turning and turning. Let's straighten up. And we'll get a run up. Yes! I did it! Yay! Score for little blue. Well done. That's so cool. We made it. Made it and it looks good. Yes! Okay, let's move on to our next spot. See if we can crawl on some, well, I don't know, whatever we can find. So in terms of your trail speed, you know, if you're actually out walking with it, let's see how quick it is. So we'll go full throttle. Obviously it's got the 2S Lipo that came with it. So that's full throttle. It does look super cool as it's crawling along though. Coming up on an obstacle. Can we clear it? Yes, lovely jubbly. Oh, almost lost it. Oh. Ah! That just looks awesome. Absolutely love it. Get some giant mushrooms to go over. As you can probably guess, I really love the look. You know, and it is actually really good fun. You know, if you're wondering what it's like out crawling, it is actually really enjoyable, and you're looking for those smaller scale challenges. You know, normally you'd be looking for your big things to take on and stuff like that, but it's actually quite fun looking for little scale challenges for it to do. Okay, let's see if we can make it up these logs. I think it's going to be quite a challenge for it. We'll see if we can do it. Oh. Right. Looks like it's going to tip over. Oh. Over she goes again. Yeah, it definitely needs some more low down weight. I think that would really help. It's very top heavy, so I think some more low down weight would go a long way. Oh. Oh, no. Over it goes again. Okay, fail. Okay, final challenge, just along the big log down here. I got a feeling it's going to tip over when it gets down there, but let's give it a try. Or is it just going to tip as soon as it goes? Go on, you can do it. Yes, nice, it did it. That's pretty cool. That's so cool. Okay guys, we're going to end the video there. Overall, I really like it. I think it's really cool. I mean, obviously it's not going to be as capable as your 110 rigs. I'm sure with some upgrades it's going to be even better. I mean, I've seen a lot of people saying that, you know, with upgrades they are really capable, even for such a small scale rig. So you know, but it was great fun, and it's really cool looking for little small scale challenges. So I think we shall get some upgrades ordered. I think it definitely needs some low down weight, like, you know, some different wheels. We'll get some of the Proline tires, some brass, slow down, you know, try and bring some of that center of gravity down, because it does just seem to tip over really quickly. But it looks awesome crawling. It's great fun. And, you know, value for money, brilliant. I'd say if you're thinking about getting one, definitely do it. I mean, I've only driven it in my house and outside, and it's just so much fun. I love it. So all my kids want to get one as well, so hopefully we'll get some more and get some group crawl trailing going on. But anyway, I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Drop me a comment if you've got any questions. Thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.